Hello, this is Mesos Orum and welcome to Understanding S.F.M.L. Today, we will be learning about the Transformable class. The Transformable class takes what was in the Transform class and makes it a little bit easier to use. The Transformable function setOrigin sets where the position's origin is. It also sets where all the Transformable's points are scaled from, and where the Transformable's points all rotate around. The Transformable function getOrigin will return to us the origin in x and y coordinates. If we open the debug menu, we can see that our origin is returned correctly, with 2, 3 being the origin. The transformable function setPosition will set where our transformable is located in Cartesian coordinates, with the first input being the x-coordinate and the second input being the y-coordinate. The transformable function getPosition will return our position in x and y coordinates as well. If we open the debug menu, we can see that our position is at 144x by 256y. The transformable function setScale will stretch all of our transformable's points away from the origin if our input is less than -1 or greater than 1, or it will squash them towards the origin if the input is greater than -1 but less than 1. If the scale is 1.0f, then the scale will stay the same, but if it is -1.0f, then the transformable will flip in that direction. The transformable function getScale will return to us the scale in x and y directions. If we open the debug menu, we can see that we are returned the scale that we input. The transformable function setRotation will set how much our transformable is rotated around its origin, here being about 90 degrees. The transformable function getRotation will return to us our rotation in either as radians or degrees, depending on what we specify. If we open the debug menu, then we can see that we've rotated our transformable about 1.57 radians, which, as shown here, is about 90 degrees. The transformable function move will add on to our transformable's position a specified vector every time that it is called. If we open the debug menu, then we can see that our position is changing every single frame. The transformable function rotate will add on to our transformable's rotation anytime that it is called. If we open the debug menu, then we can see that our rotation is changing every single frame. Finally, the transformable function scale will multiply our transformable's scale by an input factor. If we open the debug menu, then we can see that our scale is changing every single frame. Thank you for joining me today. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.